Hello everyone, welcome to Canon Coffee. Here we have the delonghi Prima exclusive espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune up. No, this machine was brought here because it had a general alarm error, and that was basically the temperature sensor inside the generator that needed to be replaced. After that we pretty much did a tune up on the machine. This is the previous condition of the machine. As you can see, it's really dirty. So we pretty much end up cleaning everything inside, as well as the spouts. This part is basically this one over here underneath here. This is the spouts inside. Let me remove that, and we pretty much clean everything in there. We descale the machine, and we run a bunch of cleaning cycles as well, and we also clean the grinder. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Or well, long coffee in this case. Unfortunately, we won't be able to use the hot water or the steamer because we don't have the vector. So we're just going to do a test shot of the machine. That's pre-infusion. Here comes the coffee. Fortunately, I use a really smaller cup for the machine, so I'm gonna stop the shot right there. As you can see, good shot of espresso coming out just fine, and no general alarm on the machine. And there you have it, the delonghi Prima exclusive working once again. So thank you for preparing Canon Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.